Hi, Eric Bodley again with Future Ready Solutions. We're at our booth 11:30 at CEDIA Expo, and this is our Cleerline corner. Cleerline manufactures the stronger, safer, faster fiber. It's a polymer-coated fiber, makes it super easy to implement fiber into your jobs. Cleerline makes not only the termination kits, all the fiber and connectors that you need, but makes very interesting products like these rack mount termination models that, well, you can bring all the fiber into one location, and what's beautiful about it is all of the fiber can be managed from behind the rack, and this will go in completely and close up so you don't have to worry about fiber being caught or pulled on by the customer or the technician. So Cleerline fiber, fiber optics redefined at Future Ready Solutions.